Despite their challenges, some cities are finding creative ways to advance sustainability and reach their green goals while creating new jobs. For example, there are opportunities for cities to partner with companies that offer financial solutions to lower or eliminate upfront costs and provide cities with an alternative income stream. Solar City, based in Foster City, is one example.
When we look at the number one barrier to adoption, it's always the upfront cost. When we partner with the city, we come up with different financing options. The most popular financing option that we have with our cities is our solar leasing program. It's extremely simplistic to implement. It's hassle-free on the customer side. They don't have to go and get a new mortgage for their home. And it's the best financial savings. What typically happens when we first reach out to a city is it's often led by a homeowner. Homeowner says, I have friends in the neighborhood. What can you do for me? We'll then go, well, why don't we look at a community program? So then we'll reach out to the city. Ask the city, have they thought of doing a solar community program? They embrace the conversation, and then we look at customizing a program that can fit their city needs. It ranges from coming up with customized financing for that specific city, different discounting, creating collaborative websites together, educating the market on the adoption of solar.
Third parties, such as community banks and credit unions, are also offering new financing programs for city residents and businesses that would like to go green.
The roles that financial institutions can play in helping cities reach the goals of sustainability and green business are basically to help people in the community understand what their financing options are for putting in more operationally efficient systems, whether it's the consumer in the home putting solar systems on, whether it's a consumer driving a fuel-efficient car, whether it's a business that wants to figure out how to put in more energy-efficient systems into their buildings. Then it's a function of understanding what it is the governments are trying to achieve and providing programs such as at TechCU, we have our Smart Living Home Equity Line of Credit for individuals who want to put solar units onto their residences. We also have a Fuel Smart loan program for those who want to get hybrid cars or fuel-efficient cars. We can tailor programs to whatever the specific initiatives are of the local governments.
The growth of a green economy in the Bay Area is advantageous to cities because of the potential for job creation, which in turn drives tax revenues.
There are many reasons why green technologies, clean technologies are important to Silicon Valley. The job creation, we've had significant job creation in the construction fields that are dealing with energy efficient buildings, in the transportation sector when we look at companies like Tesla who are creating manufacturing here in Silicon Valley, and in a lot of the advanced materials that are going into a lot of these projects. Silicon Valley is already at the hub of a lot of those green and clean technologies. We need to continue that progress. We need to bring manufacturing back into this area, and as we evolve as a community from hardware to software, now into the green and clean technologies, we will be creating a better community for all of us.
Long-established Silicon Valley companies, such as San Jose-based Philips Lumileds, are evolving into clean energy companies and creating new green jobs in the process.
Philips Lumileds has been here at this location I believe for over 30 years now, and it's part of HP actually. We're part of the HP Optoelectronics, and through some spin-outs into different divisions, we've migrated ourselves into basically a Philips Lumileds organization. We've been producing LEDs here since that beginning time frame. We were probably one of the first, if not the first, to produce a red LED that was actually used in the old HP calculators. And from there, we've migrated into revolutionizing, changing the way the lighting's occurring with the white LED, replacing your traditional bulb or filament-based technology. And through the times we've been here, through the manufacturing, the development, the R&D's located here, and a lot of the manufacturing and headquarter administration. Our jobs that we're creating here are based around pushing technology, advancing manufacturing techniques, and then obviously the marketing and sales support functions that go with developing a cutting-edge new technology product.
As clean tech startups germinate throughout the Bay Area, they create a demand for green workers.
Something unique about the solar installation business is you can't outsource it. Somebody has to get onto the roof and install the solar panels. When we go into community, we grow our installation crews. So we start off with 6 people, then eventually 60 people, and then eventually 100 people in the community. And we have to sustain it. These aren't short-term jobs. These are long-term jobs that just keep on doing the installations for the next 5, 10, 20 years.
Some local governments, like the City of Hayward in the East Bay, are using their green initiatives as a source of new revenue.
A project that is underway in the city right now is construction of a 1 megawatt solar photovoltaic project. The project is going to produce approximately 2 million kilowatt hour of energy every year. We are getting almost all of it back in terms of either the rebate initiative from California Energy Commission or low interest loans.